Now, with this, let me begin my talk. It is, of course, well understood in this crowd that we are living in a global village. We do work together, and increasingly the world is globalizing. We practice exchange and communication, and in Europe in particular, it is a mandate for all of Europe to integrate regardless of language separation. Now, on one side, there might be some who might argue we should just all speak the same language, but at the same time, there's an opposing trend that insists on the cultural diversity, on the beauty, identity, language, culture, and custom of each language and each country. And that pride in individualism must be understood if we want to reach the hearts and minds of our brothers and our sisters worldwide. And that presents the challenge. How do we achieve this global village while at the same time not ignoring our cultural identities? Now, no other place in the world understands us as well as Europe, with 24 languages by last count, plus many dialects. It is, of course, a daunting challenge to do this and to achieve this type of integration. Currently, it's done by human translation, or it's not done at all. Most of the conferences I attend are all in broken English. Now, if you look at how well people speak English in Europe, for those of you who believe that switching to English is the solution, I invite you to look at this slide where you see that across the different countries in Europe, only an average about 30 to 40% of people speak English well enough that they could conduct business with each other. So we have to dismiss this as a solution, and indeed it's probably not desirable to do that anyway. Now, what else can we do? Now, of course, there's human interpretation and translation.